Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an Amazon wish list for someone else. The first thing you will need to do is open the Amazon app. Once in the app, I want you to tap right where you see your profile icon at the bottom of the page. Then you're going to tap on your list in the top right hand corner right below buy again. Once here, I want you to tap right where you see the plus in the top right hand corner. Then right where you see shopping list, you're going to tap in front of shopping, and you can simply clear shopping and you're going to type in wish list. And let's say I'm creating a wish list for Jason. I would type in wish list for Jason, or you could type in Jason's wish list, whichever you want. Then you'll tap on create list. Now that you have created the list, all you'll need to do now is start adding items. And to add items, all you'll need to do is tap on the home icon and you can search for different items. So let's say I would like to add this cologne. All I would have to do is tap on the cologne, and the steps are the same. It doesn't matter the product that you're adding. All you'll need to do once on the product page, you're going to tap on the heart icon. And you can see item added to wish list. After you have done this, if you would like to share the list, which more than likely you will, you are going to tap on your profile icon again. Then you are going to tap on your list. Once you have tapped on your list, you are going to tap right where you see wish list. Then from here, you can tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you are going to see this menu option, and you can choose to tap on invite to list. And by doing this, you can choose one of either options. You can either choose view only, meaning that persons would only be able to view the list and make a purchase, or you can choose view and edit, better yet, on which persons will be able to view the list and they can also add or remove items. Once you have selected the option that you want, you can tap on copy link, better yet, and you can share your link. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.